95% of manifestations fail. Whether you visualize or affirm, but nothing happens. Here is the missing frequency you're ignoring. Most techniques fail because your vocal resonance isn't aligned with your desire. It's a frequency mismatch. If your Money Nakshatra frequency is weak in your voice, you are energetically blocking abundance. You simply can't manifest what you don't resonate with. This is where Bio-Astrology comes in. Using audio biometrics, we perform a frequency diagnosis to find your personal wealth blocks. Remember, alignment must come before manifestation. When your tattva vibration is tuned through Hertz alignment, the outer world has no choice but to respond. It's not magic, it's physics. Ready to stop guessing and start aligning? Join our Wealth Frequency Workshop to fix your signature and finally unlock the abundance you deserve. The link is in the description below. Check it out now and start your transformation. Thanks for watching.